Tesla getting hit hard in today's sell-off. Shares down nearly 7% ahead of the EV maker's AI day tomorrow. The company also gearing up to report Q3 deliveries. Phil LeBeau has got the details on what to expect. Phil, are we going to see an actual dancing robot or somebody dressed up as a robot dancing?
I've got a little tease video for you in just a little bit, Melissa. Let's start first off, before we talk about AI Day, let's talk first about what's expected this weekend. They haven't set a date for when they'll report their Q3 deliveries. Most expect it to be on Sunday. They typically do it the second day of the next quarter after a quarter ends. The consensus, just over 364,000 vehicles being delivered, with the vast majority of them being Model Y, especially as we see the ramp up in production for both Berlin as well as in Texas. And then you see the Model 3 expected to come in at 140,000. By the way, this would be the biggest quarter ever in terms of quarterly deliveries for Tesla. The annual delivery estimate, it was at one point close to 1.45 million. Now the consensus is 1.36 million vehicles delivered this year. They have delivered just over 565,000 so far. That was the first half. Then you'll add on the third quarter. And then when you take a look at the shares of Tesla, and there's a lot of stories being written about how much of this is because it's now become a core holding for a lot of funds, and therefore it's moving with the market. Keep in mind, as I mentioned, they are ramping up production in Texas and in Germany, and that's going to be evident in the numbers that are going to be coming out this weekend. All right, let's talk about AI Day. As you take a look at shares of Tesla over the next year, AI Day is tomorrow night out in California. That's where Elon Musk will be, or it'll start at 5 p.m. California time, 8 p.m. Eastern time. What's expected to be discussed? It's going to be a very technical discussion. And part of what's expected to be discussed is the progress on the D1 chip, as well as the Dojo supercomputer. Those are two things. Remember, this is as much about recruiting talent as it is giving people an update on where things stand in terms of Tesla incorporating artificial intelligence. And then, Melissa, the video that I said, I know you guys usually don't run a whole lot of video on this show. Oh, you can't live without it. Just for you, Melissa, we brought in the guy in the morph suit, because they're going to talk about the progress with the humanoid robot. Let's hope that we have something better than... There it is. Your favorite, Melissa, just for you. The humanoid robot.
Your favorite.
I have it on loop on my phone, Phil. It's not, just to be clear with the viewers, this is an actual person dressed up as a robot, which they got skewered for.
Suit.
So maybe this time they'll have an actual robot. Phil, I'm just wondering, amongst Tesla watchers, are you hearing anything about the increased costs to a Germany factory ramp, given energy costs right now?
I've heard that discussion out there, and it'll be curious to see what they have to say when they report their Q3 results. Look, that's the concern, not just for Tesla, but for all of the automakers. Really, it's for all of the industries that have plants over in Germany, that they are going to be facing higher costs. And so for Tesla, that's going to be one of the challenges as they expand that production there.
All right. Phil, thanks. Phil LeBeau.
You bet.
I think I'll go to the bear. Actually, there are a lot of bears here on this desk. But Dan, I think you're your number one bear.
On this one? I mean, listen. Whatever comes out, it's going to be a big fugazi. I mean, half their sales are outside of the U.S. All their growth is going to come outside of the U.S. near term. We know what the dollar is. We know that Germany's economy is in shambles. We know that the Chinese demand for these sorts of things is probably not particularly great, especially at a time where they have tons of domestic competition now. I mean, like, the list goes on and on and on. I'm done talking about it. How's that? I mean, like, it's a joke. I mean, like in this market, it's a joke.
You left out the fact that you don't like Elon Musk.
Well, I think he's a liar. I mean, I don't know why anybody in a market, we sit here and we try to parse through all this stuff. You know, we go back and forth, and it's all the misdirection. AI Day on a Friday night, like, who cares? You know what I mean? Like, what is the garbage goofiness that's going to come out of that thing, and the true believers are just going to buy into it? I mean, I don't know. It's a cult stock, and every market like this will end with this cult stock being unwound.
Is it a cult when they are the market leader in a segment of car that everybody else has recognized is the segment to be in, including the legacy automakers? Is it a cult?
Well, it's like 2% global market share.
It's not a cult, but let me chime in then. So it's a car company then. So if it's a car company, why isn't it getting slammed like all the other car companies? We're about to talk about CarMax. Used car prices are going through the floor. If you talk about Tesla,
it's got a technological edge that the other car companies do not.
They do, but people still have to buy one. And at the end of the day, people are downgrading auto companies right and left, and the consumer is and again, if you talk about the mainstream car, the car for the Americas, this is supposed to be an affordable car. It's never been affordable. But I'll just push back Elon. Not that, I'll leave the editorials on Elon. I think I kind of agree with Dan, but I'll let him do that for us, or for some people. I'll just say that I think the valuation makes 0 sense. And again, if you're talking about market proxies, this is one that actually has not made its June low. It should go a lot lower. And look at those autos today. They got destroyed. It's a car company.